Let's see. Here, look at the dash, and press. LSC Sport. Press again, turn it off. And traction control. Press it, on, off, on, off, on. If you hold this button for 5 seconds, 3 seconds. 1, 2, oops. 1, 2, 3. Permanently turns off. Fuel. Turn fuel off. Off. Car cuts out in a minute when it runs out of fuel. Oh, there it goes. Oh, and it's dying, it's dying. Oh, fuel back on. Oh, that was close.
Hey, click the link to check out my BRZ GT3 wide body build series with the V8 engine swap. Cheers.